Good morning, dear students. As you know, yesterday I have shared a video which was related to OU sound words, and I have also given you to read this page of your reader book. So, dear students, I am going to read this page. I hope you all have read the page yesterday. HOUSE, house. MOUSE, mouse. BLOUSE, blouse. OUT, out. STOUT, stout. SHOUT, shout. OUCH, ouch. COUCH, couch. POUCH, pouch. PROUD, proud. LOUD, loud. FOUND, found. MOUND, mount. HOUND, hound. SOUND, sound. ROUND, round. GROUND, ground. AROUND, around. COUNT, count. BOUNC, bounce. MOUNTAIN, mountain. FOUNTAIN, fountain. So dear students, after reading this page, now what you have to do, here is activity given at the end of this page. Now what you have to do, you have to play word train game, and in this word train game what you have to do, you all have to write the words which are related to OU sound. For example, there is example given on your reader book also. Stout, then after that out, then shout. Okay, so this is a word train related to OU sound words. Now dear students, I hope that you all are very familiar to the OU sound word. Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.